Hey guys, Ryan here, going to discuss some payment entries for Service Assistant 5. So let's get started. So there's a couple ways that you can take a payment. You can actually open up a customer screen. Let's see, we're going to search for a customer. We're going to put this account number in, hit search. And then right here, if you just want a customer calls in, you want to make a quick payment on their account, you go to the balance details, you hit these three little bars right here and go to add a payment. Then as you can see, you can accept a payment from there. Very similar to SA4, but we're going to actually go through on how to do batch payments. So we're going to go back home, and then to accept a payment, you can go right here to where it says add a payment, or you can go up to here where it says payments. So we're just going to click this button right here. And you can see it just brings up this kind of blank screen. So if you have a scanner, you can scan the barcodes here, or this is an opportunity just to type an account number in. So 57490 is the first account. We're going to hit search. You see Donald Strom. Double check the name, match the amounts. This amount is actually a little bit different. Today's the date. It's a check. All check payments go under cash. Then we're going to put the check number. Then what we do is we tab down and then we hit save. So when we go over here, just to know that that was saved, we can go in the payment journal and we see that the customer Donald Strom made the payment amount and everything's good. It's in our journal right now. We're not done with this yet. So we're going to go back to the payment entry screen. Now we're going to enter another payment. This account number is 137918. We're going to hit search and we see this is Bell Creek Island. We're going to put the amount. This is a prepayment now. It's a check again. We're going to put the check number. Now right here, this is where things are a little bit different for a prepayment. So this is a prepay money, and right here we see it has all these services. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a prepay discount on this. So we go here, 5% prepay discount. Uh-oh, it seems like there's a problem. We see that there wasn't enough money to do all this, to allocate to all these funds, all these accounts, services, I should say. So what I did, I actually had to go through and look through this, but this account actually shouldn't have a prepaid discount of 5%. It should have a 10% prepaid discount for that service right there, the grep control preventative. And then this should have the 5%. So now when we come over here, we say that there's no remaining amount. The amount allocated was the total amount for the check of $399.90. And then there's total amount under allocated 0. So we're good. Again, we're just going to go down here and hit save. Now we got one check left, 37752. All right, it's just a simple payment again, 1129. We're going to hit tab. So you can tab over and hit enter and it saves it. Now we're going to go to the payment journal. And as you can see, we have a couple payments here. So now this is where I take the opportunity to double check my work. I always double check the amounts and I double check the amounts and I double check the property name. So the first one right here, we have 8523 for Donald Strom. That's correct. And then the second one we have for $399.90 for Bell Creek Island. That one's correct again. The last one we have is $44.99 for Terry and Lisa Kelly. That again is correct. So right now these are just in the journal and they haven't been allocated at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to select all of them. Now we have a total of 530.12. This is important to write this amount down. So now behind the scenes, you need to take a sticky note out, write that amount down on these batches, and then put them with the check. So we know that that batch of checks is added up to 530.12. And then you would give it to Ryan or Andrew or the appropriate mailbox where this should be stored. So these are all checked right here. So the last thing we have to do is post it. So we're going to hit post. Are you sure you want to post these payments? Yes, we are. Now you see down here, we have payments that were posted, 3. We're all set to go. I believe that we can email these receipts, but for now we're not going to. We're just going to hit clear. And that's it, guys. We can go back home and everything's all done. Thanks for watching. We'll have more training videos in the future. Have a nice day.